Okay, what's up guys? So we are currently at Miller's Point. Alright, so water's looking decent. It's low tide currently, high tide in about 3 hours. Yeah, so it's going to be a very nice dive. We're going to try and get some nice butterfish, Roman, yeah, occasional parrot. But yeah, so we are going to try and get a dive session. I'll check you guys a bit later. Alright, hey guys, today is another little cooking sesh. I caught some fish today. Unfortunately I did not get it on video, but yeah, I've got a few clips that is recording. Yes it is. So yeah, today we are going to try something a bit different with fish. We've got like an apricot jam mix, some golden syrup, and some lemon and black pepper, Italian herbs, and fish for farce. So yeah, let's get it going. Not very hot yet. And then we are just going to take our fillets and mix it nice up in there. Get some of that nice syrup and apricot jam all over it and see how it tastes. Hey. Okay, let's see how hot the oil is. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, let's get our first piece of fish meat in there. Cool. Awesome. So, the trick to deep fry, I've made a batter, a more liquid-based batter, where you take your flour and the spices, and then you mix it in with soda water. You know, I think it is, yeah. And then, yeah, but I don't like that. I like to just dip my fish into a flour batter and, yeah. The deep fry is better, as you can see. Oh yeah, oh, here's a spatula. Thanks, man. Thank you, man. Okay, let's get that up in there. Just get it nice and floured up so that it doesn't stick to our hands. Nice and floured up so that it doesn't stick to our hands. Cool. And then get it into all of the cracks so it deep fries nicely. Okay, so now you guys are going to see what my camera setup looks like. There we go. So this is what I do when I do my cooking chat. Okay, so I'm going to solo taste this food now because the family is sleeping. So yeah. Anyways, what we did was we took syrup, apricot jam, mixed it together, did a nice flour batter, and then we put our fish into our apricot jam and syrup first, and then into the flour batter, and then into the pan. I've had a sneak peek of the fish, a little taste test. That's amazing. Alright, so have a look. So there it is. And break a piece off for you guys. There we go. If it just wants to focus, that would be nice. Anyways, so yeah, you can actually see the honey on it, that yellowy part. It's really nice. It's still very hot. So the nice thing that I like about it is it's sweet, and then also it has that pepper flavor.